Each week we check out a new gun museum. We call it the Firearm Museum Tour. A big part of our Gun Show Loophole Tour is checking out the firearms museums around the country, and we know that they're all interested in getting more visitors and more awareness. So we're going to help by featuring a new museum each week. Next up is the Johnathan Browning Museum and Workshop in Nauvoo, Illinois. So Johnathan Browning is the father of John Browning. The Mormons were run out of back east somewhere and moved to Illinois, and that's when Johnathan Browning became a Mormon. He moved to Illinois and set up his workshop in the location of the existing museum. He created the harmonica gun and was a blacksmith. He had done some other gunsmithing. The Mormons got run out of Illinois, and he went with them west to Utah, and that's when John Browning was born. So this museum is a recreation. The Mormons, I guess, bought the town back years ago and rebuilt some of the buildings, and Johnathan Browning's workshop is one of the buildings they rebuilt. And you can see here, there's not a lot of guns, but there are some guns that give you an idea of the gun that he created, he invented, and the kind of guns he'd have been working on, and the kind of blacksmithing he would have done, the kind of gunsmithing he would have done, as well as the kind of tools that he would have used. And there's actually a lot of information about the Mormons and the area and the time, the period. There's some other type of like restaurants and skill trades, crafts kind of buildings there you can learn from. But you can see here, you can learn about the blacksmithing of the time and how barrels were created from bar stock and rolled and forged. And pretty interesting, and it kind of wraps things together when you think about
so then
how
he
the
would heat it up till
original
it was
gun
white hot,
makers
which is,
got
of
their
course, hotter than red
reputations.
hot.
It would have been from their abilities and their skills using some crude tools. So really interesting museum for being a small one. So this is Johnathan Browning and his wife before they moved west. And then there's John Browning, of course, one of their famous sons. And this is a pretty interesting museum. It's not huge. It's not easy to get to. It's kind of by itself in the border of Illinois and Iowa. There are some other firearms destinations nearby. So if you've been there, let us know in the comments. If you plan on going, feel free to ask questions. And let us know what you think of the series. Thanks to our Patreons for the time. And as always, thanks for watching.
The guys and gals at gunwebsite.com encourage you to take a CCW course every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day.